Things aren't always as they seem, especially when it comes to luggage. In our quest to find the best carry-on bags, we discovered that while some suitcases look good, they don't always hold up to the demands of travel. Some designs have attractive features that add bulk, but not additional functionality, while others just don't live up to the hype. To determine the best carry-on luggage, we tested dozens of bags on countless trips to find the ideal bag for every travel need. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 10 best carry-on luggage you can buy in 2025. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 10, the North Face Rolling Thunder 22. The North Face's 22-inch Rolling Thunder duffel doesn't have the bells and whistles of other carry-on options, but it's a sturdy and reliable option for those who want a duffel style on wheels. The duffel has a hard-sided back panel, two wheels that can withstand various terrain, and plastic bumpers for abrasion resistance. The soft-sided top of the bag is made of water-resistant base camp material and nylon for extra durability. There are two zippered pockets on the outside to stash small items and a mesh pocket inside for some added organization. Number 9, Friedrik, the Carry-On Pro. Constructed with premium materials, this luxury carry-on has Italian leather accents, Japanese spinner wheels, and a polycarbonate exterior with an aluminum metal frame for stability. It closes via two secure latches with combination locks, rather than a zipper. There's a front laptop compartment with a smaller pocket and pen slots to keep business essentials or travel documents easy to access. The interior has leather details, compression straps, and a removable compression pad with a pocket, ideal for small items like ties, fashion jewelry, or silk scarves. Travelers can also purchase an additional compression pad to have a pad on each side of the interior compartment. Number 8, Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Spinner. The Briggs & Riley Essential 22 Carry-On Expandable Spinner has a standout feature that other bags on this list don't: One-Touch CX Expansion. Exclusive to Briggs & Riley, this technology allows your bag to expand and compress in one swift motion. Simply press and pull up on the red levers found at opposite ends of the bag, and it will grow 2.5 inches. Once you've packed your belongings, push down on the buttons to compress the bag before zipping it up. This bag also features a garment folder to reduce wrinkles in a suit or dress, as well as cinch-down garment panels to secure the clothing in place. Other convenient features include interior mesh compartments for organization, an exterior pocket for airport essentials, or even your laptop, and a signature power pocket where you can charge your smartphone. While the bag is undoubtedly an investment at $700, it's simple as that guarantee. Free repairs forever, no questions asked. Plus, sturdy features like impact-resistant corner guards and self-repairing zippers means you'll have it for life. Number 7, Amazon Basics 20-inch Hardside Spinner. The Amazon Basics 20-inch Hardside Spinner is similar to many other hard-sided luggage products on the market, but it's available at a fraction of the price. The ABS shell is textured, so even if you or luggage handlers bang it around a bit, it does not show scuffs or scratches easily. The double spinner wheels, a must honestly in today's luggage landscape, make the bag effortless to maneuver. Inside, one side of the bag features a compression strap, while the other has a large fabric zippered closure, complete with a few organizer pockets for smaller items. Thanks to its availability on Amazon Prime, the carry-on luggage ships quickly, so it's also a great option if you need new luggage in a crunch. Number 6, DELSEY Paris Helium Aero International Carry-On Expandable Spinner. This DELSEY Paris carry-on is a well-built piece of hard-sided luggage. It meets carry-on suitcase size restrictions for most international airlines and offers an easily accessible front compartment, ideal for a laptop up to 15.6 inches or other items you want to be able to grab quickly. The suitcase has a TSA lock and two spacious internal compartments for clothing, shoes, and travel gear. The double spinner wheels glide smoothly across all types of surfaces, and the handle pulls out and retracts with ease. Number 5, July Carry-On Light. Weighing just under 4 pounds, this bag is the lightest hard-sided carry-on we found on the market. It's constructed with an extremely durable German polycarbonate shell, and the interior has two mesh zippered compartments. to keep your belongings from shifting. The inner nylon lining is also resistant to water and stains. To make the suitcase easy to maneuver, there's a top carry handle, a telescoping handle, and dual spinner wheels. Number 4, Samsonite SoLyte DLX Carry-On Spinner. This classic soft-sided option from Samsonite offers everything you need for a smooth trip. There are 3 spacious pockets and a trolley strap on the outside so you can stack it on top of another. Rolling suitcase, as well as a USB port for charging your phone, though you'll have to purchase a battery separately. Inside the suitcase, 3 more zippered pockets, including one for wet items, help you stay organized, while buckles keep the main compartment's tie-down straps out of your way while packing. This spinner can conveniently expand by 0.75 inches, but keep in mind if you're flying that overpacking may put it over your carry-on size allowance. Number 3, Away the Carry-On. When it comes to hard-sided carry-on luggage, nothing beats the Carry-On by Away. The bag is lightweight yet indestructible thanks to a 100% polycarbonate exterior. Plus, you can easily wipe away most scratches with a magic eraser. In late 2023, Away launched a new iteration of the Carry-On that somehow made it even more efficient. The most notable new features are an additional underside grab handle, 3 extra interior compartments, and an enhanced compression system that upholds the bag's ability to accommodate nearly a week's worth of clothing. The bag's 360-degree wheels are also slimmer than those of its predecessor for improved maneuverability. While Away has long been known for its neutral-colored matte options, glossy options of this bag are now available. Number 2, Travelpro Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner is a truly well-rounded carry-on with a plethora of unique features. USB A and C ports on the outside of the bag give easy access to charging. A power bank is not included, though the bag does have a pocket for one inside the expansion zipper. Self-aligning magnetic wheels, a reviewer favorite feature, allow painless travel through the airport as well as on roads, sidewalks, uneven surfaces, and more. A built-in TSA zipper lock offers ultimate protection for your possessions. Even without the features listed above, this Travelpro spinner is, at its core, a high-quality piece. The hard outer shell is ultra-strong and 100% polycarbonate. Aluminum corner guards further protect your belongings. The clamshell-style suitcase has 2 large interior compartments along with 3 extra pockets, one of which is water-resistant, and the expansion zipper allows for an extra 2 inches of packing room. Plus, this carry-on is made with genuine leather trim, so you can travel in style as well as comfort. Number 1, Solgaard Carry-On Closet Original. Large, sturdy, and attractive, this suitcase is set apart from the rest by its patented and removable shelving system. This unique design feature makes packing easier, keeps items in place, and removes the need to unpack at your destination. Rather than a zippered clamshell design, the Solgaard carry-on closet has 2 latches that open with just the squeeze of 2 levers together. It secures with a TSA-approved lock. The waterproof polycarbonate exterior has an aluminum frame and corner guards, so this suitcase can withstand all the rigors of travel. There's also an ergonomic handle and frictionless wheels, which make it easy to maneuver on all types of terrain. What's more, this sustainable suitcase helps to repurpose 6 pounds of plastics that may have ended up in the ocean. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.